Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MotoUpdate. Today I'm taking you on an exciting journey to Germany, the home of legendary automobiles. I'm exploring the world of BMW, one of the most famous luxury car brands in the world. Right now I'm in the beautiful city of Munich, where BMW began its incredible journey many decades ago. Behind me stands the iconic BMW headquarters, a powerful symbol of innovation and German engineering. Near this building, you can also find the amazing BMW Museum, where the brand's history and legendary vehicles are proudly displayed. Now let me take you inside a modern BMW showroom filled with luxury, technology, and powerful machines. As I walk through the showroom, I can see some of the most impressive cars ever built. Right here, we have the elegant BMW 7 Series, a car designed for ultimate comfort, innovation, and premium driving experience. And just beside it stands the aggressive and sporty BMW M4, a car built for speed, power, and thrilling performance. BMW is also leading the future of electric mobility with futuristic vehicles like the BMW i7, proving that luxury and sustainability can exist together. But have you ever wondered how these incredible BMW vehicles are actually built? Well, the journey begins inside the BMW design studio, where talented designers and engineers work together to create the next generation of vehicles. Using advanced computers and digital modeling technology, they design the shape, aerodynamics, and performance of every car. Before production begins, full-size clay models are carefully crafted to perfect every curve and detail of the vehicle. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process begins with massive stamping machines that press large sheets of metal into doors, roofs, and body panels. After that, the car parts move into the body shop, where hundreds of robotic arms weld thousands of components together with incredible precision and accuracy. Slowly, the strong metal skeleton of the BMW starts to take shape. Next, the vehicle body moves into the paint shop, one of the most advanced areas of the factory. Here, robotic systems apply multiple layers of high-quality paint to give the car its beautiful color and flawless finish. The car then travels through special drying tunnels to ensure the paint becomes perfectly smooth and durable. Meanwhile, BMW engineers assemble powerful engines using advanced tools and precise engineering techniques. After that, everything comes together at the final assembly line, where the engine, suspension, wiring, electronics, and luxury interior are carefully installed. Skilled workers and intelligent robots work side by side to ensure every detail is perfect. Advanced software systems are also programmed into the vehicle to control safety features, driving performance, and infotainment technology. Before leaving the factory, every BMW goes through strict quality inspections, where experts carefully check every part of the vehicle. Finally, the finished car is tested to make sure it delivers the legendary driving experience BMW is known for. And just like that, from raw metal to a luxury masterpiece, a brand new BMW is ready to drive onto roads all around the world. If you enjoyed this journey inside the world of BMW, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to MotoUpdate for more amazing automotive content.